What's up guys? As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day here in Playa del Carmen. Right now I'm on the rooftop of Cook's Style and we're going to show you the available unit, which is 465,000 with the furniture included, apartment 210. Now the furniture is very basic, but the space this unit provides gives you the opportunity to create a very nice apartment. Just over here you have Calle 38, which is Street 38. You have lots of restaurants and bars along here leading down to the beach, which is just 2 minutes walking. Main avenue, the 5th Avenue in Playa del Carmen. Okay, let's come into the apartment. Half bathroom here to the right. Now on the first floor you have your main living area and kitchen. A very large living space, especially for units here in Playa del Carmen. A large dining table in the middle, decent sized kitchen. And here you have a laundry room and some extra storage. Now let's head out into the little balcony. A view down into the 5th Avenue. Okay, now let's go on to the second floor where the bedrooms are. Right, I guess we have the master bedroom here, which has an ensuite bathroom. And you have this closet that goes across the whole wall here. And over here we have the view down into the living space. Now coming out the master bedroom, you have this really long hallway. And one of the other guest bedrooms. You have ensuite bathroom in this one and the closet here. Third bedroom, which also has an ensuite bathroom. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for upcoming property tours on this channel. If you would like more information on this property or other units in the building, or would simply like a free consultation on the real estate market here in the Riviera Maya, you can contact me at the email address provided below or directly at my number on WhatsApp. Thank you and goodbye.